Hello and welcome to the new installment of Gavin's painting tips. In this video, I'm painting red cherry tomatoes. I block in the background with a mixture of red and Payne's gray, but you can use any dark cool tone for this one. I start blocking in color in different tones and hues and value. And I'm aware of the reflective quality of the tomato surfaces. Edges are very important also, and keeping your brushes clean as you go. So I continually turp the brushes and dry them off in between value and color shifts. After generally blocking in the reds, I go into the background where sometimes I'll just clean off my brush just to add a value in order to see the whitest white. Usually I'll put in a plate or something to rest the vegetables on. In this case, I started to just paint in a cloud for some reason, but so you can see the subtle shift between the blues and the warm clouds and the cool background. But I felt like it looked like a Katy Perry album cover or something, so I eventually decided to get rid of the clouds. There are no edges on clouds. It's all soft and it's all values that are close together. White mixed with orange and a little bit of cerulean for the background. And I create edges around in a cool tone in order to create a pop for the tomatoes, which I think worked pretty well in this one, but still has a dreamy effect because it's not really resting on any sort of perspective. If you like the content, remember to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.